Hey there! This video demonstrates how to configure blocked destinations in CommPeak SMS platform. You will learn how to upload a CSV file with phone numbers to block, view the progress of the uploaded lists, or remove numbers to stop blocking them. Blocked destinations contain phone numbers you want to blacklist, so that messages to them are not sent even if they belong to your contacts. Let's say you need to manually opt out an existing contact. Start with preparing a CSV file that will contain a column with phone numbers to block and include the needed number into this list. Then in your TextPeak account, select Blocked Destinations in Settings. Click Add, drag and drop your file or browse for it, and proceed to the next screen. Mark the file column that contains phone numbers and select the checkbox if you wish to ignore the table header. Click Import and then confirm the action in the list summary box. Uploading may take some time if your list is long. Otherwise, the system adds it quickly and you can find it on the Lists tab. Hover over the progress bar to see how many numbers have been parsed successfully. You can switch to the Phone Numbers tab to view and search by number or file. You will find the number you needed to opt out here. In the contact list, it will have the blacklist status. If you wish to remove the blocking for a number and return it to its contact list, click Delete. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video guides.